Have you ever wondered what is microbiology, or what comes in your mind when you hear microbiology? So, here it goes. Microbiology is a study of all organisms that are too small to be visible with our naked eyes. This includes bacteria, viruses, fungi, archaea, and protozoa, collectively known as microbes. Many people have contributed throughout the history of microbiology, but a man called Anthony Phillips van Leeuwenhoek is considered the father of microbiology. There's a lot of people behind the history of microbiology that gives contribution in the past until the present study of microbiology. Here are some of the most significant discoveries in the history of microbiology. So, let's begin. In 1530, Girolamo Fracastoro proposed that epidemic diseases are caused by transferable tiny particles or spores that could be transmit infection by direct or indirect contact. In 1665, Robert Hooke published Micrographia, a book describing observation made with microscope and telescopes. Hooke also coined the term for describing biological organisms. In 1676, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek observed water closely and was surprised to see tiny organisms, the first bacteria observed by a man. In 1768, Lazarus Spallanzani proposed that microbes move through the air and they could be killed through the boiling, which paved the way of research by Louis Pasteur. In 1810, Nicholas Appert discovered that bacteria could not grow in foods in the airtight cans. His method of preservation became popularly known as appertization and later on as canning. In 1835, Agostino Basset made the important generalization that many diseases of plants, animals, and man are caused by animals or vegetable parasites. In 1861, Louis Pasteur introduced the term aerobic and anaerobic in describing the growth of the yeast at the expense of sugar in the presence or absence of oxygen. In 1876, Robert Koch's discovery of anthrax bacillus in 1876 launched the field of medical bacteriology. In 1884, Hans Christian J. Graham develops a dye system of identifying bacteria. Bacteria which retain the violet dye are classified as the gram-positive. Lastly, in 1929, Alexander Fleming publishes the first paper describing penicillin and its effect on the gram-positive microorganisms. So yeah, I hope you learned about this history of microbiology. Thank you for watching and God bless.